lesson is about pressure, specifically the pressure of gases or the pressure of the atmosphere. First thing I want you to understand is what is pressure. I'm going to help you derive that right now. So if you guys would follow along, put your arm down on the table like this. Take the heel of your palm and press it down on your arm. What you feel is you feel some pressure. The reason why is because you are exerting a force on an area. So what we would see is we would see that pressure is equal to the amount of force exerted over a certain area. So pressure is force divided by area. The unit of force is in something that we call newtons. Area would be in something like meters squared. And then pressure would be in a unit called the Pascal, which is a Newton divided by a meter squared. You'll notice, by the way, if you do a similar thing, but instead of pressing down with your heel of your palm, if you press down the same force with just one finger, you feel a whole lot more pressure. And the reason why is because you're making the area much smaller, and when I divide by a smaller number, my quotient is going to become bigger. So you guys can play around with that a little bit. We'll move on to part 2 in a second. This bar right here is made out of steel. This bar weighs 14.7 pounds. The air in our atmosphere is exerting pressure on everything around us all the time. In fact, it exerts 14.7 pounds on every square inch. So if you're sitting in the classroom right now and I'm not there, and the substitute has one of these bars, an atmosphere bar, they could take it, they could place it on a part of your body so that you could feel what 14.7 pounds per square inch would feel like. Of course, you guys are adjusted to that pressure, just like the little fish that live way, way deep in the ocean are adjusted to the pressure of the ocean.